Hi, welcome to Grade 11 Pre-Calculus Mathematics. This course is a continuation of the concepts you have studied in the previous years, as well as an introduction to new topics. It builds upon the pre-calculus topics you were introduced to in Grade 10 Introduction to Applied and Pre-Calculus Mathematics. You will put to use many of the skills that you have already learned to solve problems and learn new skills along the way. This course helps you develop the skills, ideas, and confidence you will need to continue studying math in the future. Problem solving, communication, reasoning, and mental math are some of the themes you will discover in each module. You will engage in a variety of activities that promote the connections between symbolic math ideas and the world around you. There are three main areas that you will be exploring on this course. First, analytical geometry. Second, systems of the non-linear equations. And the third, trigonometry. This course is divided into 8 modules, organized as follows. Module 1, conic sections. Module 2, systems of nonlinear equations. Module 3, mathematical induction. Module 4, binomial expansion. Module 5, circular functions. Module 6, trigonometric ideas or identities. Module 7, inverse trigonometric functions, and Module 8, polar plane. There are 3 resources of this course. The first is your textbook entitled Math Connections in the Digital Age Pre-Calculus, written by Luis Alan Melosantos et al. The second one is the YouTube, and the third one are PowerPoint slides. What will you need? Please note that you need a textbook to complete this course. Internet connectivity may be suggested as a resource in some places, but if you do not have access to an online computer, you will still be able to complete the related activities and assignments through modular mode. You also need to access to Schoology. You can download it to your smartphone or access it directly from its app by typing www.schoology.com on your browser if you are using your desktop or laptop. You will need internet connection to access Schoology. Instruction on how to access and to join a class in Schoology is discussed on the latter part of this presentation. In case of low or no internet connection at all, you are required to have a flash drive where all videos and presentations will be stored for your access and convenience. You need to store all videos and presentation every Friday before each week lesson. You are also required for this course a scientific calculator and graph paper. A graphing calculator, a freeware graphing program, or a graphing calculator app downloaded to your smartphone or accessed online can be of use. None of these are required when writing either of your midterm or final examination though. Access to a computer with spreadsheet and graphing capabilities will be an advantage but not a requirement. Access to a photocopier would be helpful because it would let you make a copy of your assignments before you send them to your teacher. But you can also capture your answer through your camera phone, provided that it will be clear and readable. Learning modules and instructions. Learning modules, instructions, and links to video presentations and PowerPoint slides will be presented and uploaded to Schoology every Friday before each week's lesson. For example, the lessons on August 24 to 29 will be uploaded to Schoology on August 21. Lessons and instructions are given in a weekly basis with activity or activities to be submitted every Friday uploaded to Schoology. Make sure you complete each learning activity. Besides giving you instant feedback, they will help you practice what you have learned and prepare you to successfully complete hand-in assignments and exams. Many of the questions on the exams will be similar to the questions in the learning activities. If you were able to answer them correctly, you are likely to do well on your exams. If you did not answer them correctly, you need to go back to the lesson and review the instructions and examples. Don't skip ahead without learning. If you do, you will be wasting your time and you won't be able to complete later lessons. If you have difficulty answering the questions in the learning activity, ask your learning partner to help you or contact me through my cell phone number 0917-130-5938 or send me a private message to my messenger account, Vanessa Fredeluces. Do not mail learning activities. Upload them to Schoology. Grading system. There are 3 components of your grade. First is the written works, which will weigh 25% on your grade. Written works include weekly activities and summative tests. Second is the performance task, which weigh 45% on your grade. This includes your attendance, punctuality in submitting your requirements, individual and group projects, among others. And the third, quarterly assessments, which will get 30% on your grade. Prelims, midterms, pre-final, and final tests are included in this component. Exams will be uploaded and answered online on given dates. You will be given at most 2 hours for every set of examination. For example, on your written works, you get 85 out of 100, so that is 85%. You multiply it by 0.25 or 25%, you will get 21.25. For your performance task, for example, you get 91 out of 100, so that is 91%. You multiply it by 0.45 or 45%, then you get 40.95. Your quarterly assessment, for example, for your prelim, you get 40 out of 50, so that is 80. In your midterm, you get 42 out of 50, so that is 84. You get the average, 80 plus 84 divided by 2 equals 82. You multiply it by 0.3, you get 24.6, and then you add your percentage in your written work plus your percentage on the performance test plus on the quarterly assessment, then your midterm exam or midterm grade will be equal to 86.8 or 87. How to download and join class in Schoology? Open this link and follow the instruction. If you have questions, clarifications, and suggestions on this presentation, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.